Description: Nioxin System 4 helps you achieve thicker, fuller-looking hair and restore moisture balance. Award: Behind the Chair Stylist Choice Winner Favorite Thinning Haircare, 16 consecutive years. Benefits: Reduces hair loss due to breakage and strengthens hair, while refreshing the scalp and delivering a healthy shine. Suggested use: Step 1. Massage to hair scalp. Rinse 2. Apply from scalp to ends. Rinse 3. Shake, apply to scalp. Do not rinse. The 3-step system includes Scalp Shampoo, removes dirt and sebum, Scalp Conditioner, provides hair strength, Scalp Hair Treatment, increases the volume of each hair strand. Clinically proven to reduce hair fall by up to 91% due to breakage. 85% of customers who tried the system kits noticed a thickening effect. Dermatologically tested. Color safe. Versus non-conditioning shampoo based on a survey among 230 U.S. panelists concerned about thinning hair conducted by SIRS 2016. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I started using this product several years ago for thinning hair. My hairdresser noticed before I said anything.